Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all smashing it. Well, today Tom's hard at it with the e30. I've really grown to appreciate how tough this job is and how time consuming it is, so let's crack on and watch Tom finish the battery tray.
Now I've run out of primer, so I'm going to have to do that later on in the week, but looks a little bit more solid than it did. Right, now onto that little corner. Alright guys, so we're just going to tackle this little section here. Been having a look at the metal, see how it's folded. So I've made a little template. Basically this is going to be cut so it folds like that, a couple of little holes for spot welds, get it in there, weld it in. Hopefully that should sort this little section. So let's get down to it. There we go, fully completed. Looks a lot better than it was. Hopefully saved myself probably about 265 quid, about the same amount of time, but I had the steel line around, so there we go, one battery tray. Looks a lot better, reasonably happy with it. Doesn't look 100% standard, you can just about see that at the top. Not quite got the swage line right, but I'm happy with it. The bung will go back in. It's done. Now on to the next challenge.